Wireless headphones are the type of headphones that can be connected to a device, such as a smartphone, stereo speaker, television, gaming console, computer, or other electronic devices without the use of a wire or cable, and instead uses Bluetooth. Wireless headphones totally change the way we listen to music, but it's difficult to know which ones to buy. So if you're looking to buy one, then these are some of the top products available in the market. The Urbanista Seattle headphones are the premium quality headphones which are built for high quality audio in style. The crisp audio reproduction and impressive bass levels mean listeners can revel in remarkable bass sounds for an extraordinary listening experience. It also has a built-in microphone to enable hands-free mobile calling, whereby music playing is automatically paused until the end of the call. It features a practical folding function, making it easy to bring with you when you're on the go. The memory foam padded ear pads and headband allow you to wear it for long periods of time without soreness or discomfort. It has a micro USB input for charging, and the battery lasts for up to 14 hours. Bowers & Wilkins PX wireless headphones combine best-in-class sound with adaptive noise cancellation, which blocks out ambient sound without affecting the listening experience. It uses the latest aptX HD Bluetooth transmission system at a 24-bit resolution for accurate performance. It uses a class-leading battery which gives 22 hours of active use with a single charge. It offers optimized listening performance and has subtly angled drivers to provide a more natural stereo perspective. Also, it is combined with intuitive controls which help to turn on the headphones automatically when you put them over your head and take them off to pause the music, and immediately goes into standby mode. Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2 comes with the noise-rejecting dual microphone system for clear phone calls and voice access to your phone's default virtual assistant, like Siri. The volume-optimized EQ makes your music always sound its best, whether you turn it up on an airplane or turn it down while at the office. Also, it offers Bluetooth and NFC pairing with voice prompts for hassle-free wireless connections. It gives up to 20 hours of wireless playtime from a rechargeable lithium-ion battery and up to 40 hours of listening in wired mode. Use Bose Connect app that lets you personalize your headphones. The B&O VO-Play H9i comes with the proximity sensor that pauses playback when headphones are removed and resumes when placed back on. These high-quality headphones feature hybrid ANC that reduces both high and low-frequency background noises. Also, the transparency mode lets you tune back into the outside world with a swipe of the touchpad. With the new bass port for deep sound and 2 dedicated microphones for an enhanced voice call, Clarity provides unparalleled bang and Olufsen signature sound. These over-ear headphones can be paired with up to 2 devices at a time. Also, it offers 18 hours of playtime while using Bluetooth and ANC. The Sony WH-1000XM2 holds the first place among the list of top wireless headphones. It comes with adaptive sound control technology which automatically detects your activities such as traveling, walking, and waiting, and then adjusts ambient sound level settings for you. The Sense engine gives you the power to tune in and out of your music at a touch. These headphones also include a powerful 40mm driver with liquid crystal polymer (LCP) diaphragm for handling heavy beats, and can reproduce a full range of frequencies up to 40 kHz. Keep playing music with long battery life up to 30 hours and quick charging, which gives 70 minutes of play after having 10 minutes of charge. It also supports the Google Assistant, which makes it more comfortable in using. Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.